Hi guys, I've got a really lovely cocktail to share with you today. It is our winter spritz. It's going to be served in one of these, a small wine glass or your favourite spritz glass. We're going to use our pomegranate and spice pear blend, which we make here at Icily Done HQ. It's available to the 1st of May. There's loads of great drinks with it, come in all shapes and sizes. So have a look around this playlist for some other ideas. And we'd love to hear your ideas as well. If you've had a chance to get your hands on a bottle, you've got some ideas you want to share, I'd love to hear them. I get lost in my own creative world, so it's great to see what other people are up to with our blends. So straight into it, 50ml, pomegranate and spice pear, creamy pear, tangy pomegranate, great mouthfeel, loads of spice in there. We're going to throw in some gin with that, just a little measure. It's a spritz, so it's going to have Prosecco in it as well. Around about 20ml there, beef eater. Got loads of juniper, citrus spice in there, coriander, which is all going to mingle with our pear. Pear just takes on flavour and spice so well, which is why we like using it so much. Get some ice in there now. A few trusty cubes, fresh ice. Now we're going to go with our soda. 25ml do it. Just a little measure like that. And because it's a spritz, and in the mould of an Aperol spritz, I'm going to finish that with some Prosecco. Just get rid of the cage. Hold it there and just twist in the bottom of the bottle. Just want to hear that lovely little whisper as it comes open. There we go. A little hiss. And about 50ml there. And that's just wonderful. We've got loads of winter flavours in there. Winter fruit in the shape of the pear. We've got the cinnamon coming through in the blend as well. Tangy, bittersweet pomegranate. Gin, which is going to bring the juniper, the citrus, all layered on top. And we're going to round that off with a little stir. Soda and Prosecco. It's a really elegant winter drink. And I've trimmed down a little straw ahead of time, because I know that it will fit just better in our glass there. And lastly, just a little half moon of an orange slice, which I think works so well with the colours. The orange and the pear work so well. We've got loads of citrus from the gin in there, which the orange is just going to say hello to. Elegant, effortless, super easy pomegranate spice pear winter spritz. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.